Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learning with Deepu. In today's video, I'll be discussing on the subject Social Connect and Responsibility. I'm from the Department of Information Science and Engineering, and these are my details. Under the guidance of Professor Amrita Ma'am C. The contents I'm going to discuss is plantation and adaptation of tree, heritage walk and crafts corner, organic farming and waste management, water conservation, food walk, and finally references. Plantation and adaptation of a tree. Mulberry plant. Scientific name is Morus sap. Example Morus alba, Morus nigra. Type deciduous tree or shrub, and leaves are broad, glossy, heart-shaped, used for silkworms. Small clustered and can be red, white, or black when ripe. Height typically 10 to 15 meters tall. Flowers small, greenish, and wind pollinated. Uses food, fruits and leaves, silk production, leaves are for silkworms, traditional medicine, wood for furniture and tools. Growing conditions prefers well-drained soil, full sun and moderate watering. Propagation commonly propagated through cuttings or grafting. And now it's Heritage Walk and Crafts Corner. Sri Katirama Devi Temple, location situated in Katirama village, Hoskote, India. That is dedicated to goddesses Katirama, an incarnation of goddesses Durga. Significance: a major pilgrimage site, especially for devotees seeking blessings for strength and protection. Architecture: the temple features traditional South Indian temple architecture with intricate carvings and structures. Annual festival: the temple hosts a grand annual festival drawing thousands of devotees. Local belief: temple is associated with the various local legends and traditions, reinforcing its cultural importance. Worship rituals or offering made to seek divine blessing, especially during special occasions. Coconuts are tied in a cloth to fulfill their wishes. Organic farming and waste management. Organic farming of corn. Soil health focuses on maintaining soil fertility through crop rotation, compost and natural fertilizers like manure instead of synthetic chemicals. Pest control use natural methods such as beneficial crop insects, crop protection, and organic pesticides to manage pests. Non-GMO seeds. Organic corn is grown from non-genetically modified GMO seeds as per organic farming standards. Weed management. Manual weeding, mulching and natural herbicides are used to control weeds. Water conservation often employs sustainable irrigation techniques and practices to conserve water. No synthetic chemicals, no synthetic fertilizers, pesticides or herbicides are used, ensuring a chemical-free crop. Certification. Organic corn must be certified by recognized organic standards and certification bodies. Environmental impact. Organic farming promotes biodiversity and reduces pollution of soil and water resources. Water conservation. Agricultural pond used for irrigation, livestock watering, and aquaculture in agricultural settings. Water storage helps store rainwater or surface water for use during dry periods, ensuring the consistent water supply. Construction typically dug or evacuated to collect and store water with proper lining and to prevent seepage. Location: position in areas where water scarcity or irregular rainfall is an issue. Irrigation: water from the pond can be used for irrigation systems like drip or flood irrigation. Livestock use provides drinking water for animals such as cattle and poultry. Aquaculture: some ponds are used for fishing, fish farming, improved food production, and income generation. Water conservation helps in effective water management, reducing dependence on external water sources. Environmental benefits can support local ecosystem and biodiversity, attracting wildlife and promoting sustainable farming practices. walk, we visited Raj Dum Biryani in Uskote. Signature dish is biryani flavor which is rich in taste and aroma. Ingredients made with basmati rice, tender meat, typically chicken, mutton, or and a blend of traditional spices like saffron, cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves. Cooking style prepared using dum method, where the biryani is slow cooked in a sealed pot, allowing the flavors to blend and diffuse. Cultural significance: a popular dish in many regions, especially in Hyderabad, is often enjoyed during festive occasions. Serving style: typically served with side dishes like raita, salad, or boiled egg. Taste profile: known for its balance and of spicy and savours flavors with a fragrant aromatic finish. Famous for rich heritage and unique blend of spices, Rajadambiri is a must try for food enthusiasts. Local experience: often enjoyed fully local food walks and food festivals, providing a culture and culinary experience. Thank you for watching my video.